Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ifeoma. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please press the subscribe button. And today's tutorial is going to be about tape measurement. As you can see, we're going to learn how to use the tape measurements more accurately for beginners and non-beginners. So I've got two tape measure here, and I know that we all know 1 2 3 4 5 inches, but what we're going to learn today is about the line in between the inches. This tape has 8 lines in between the inches. This one has 16 lines. So we're going to learn what they are, and they do have numbers to themselves. So in order for us to understand what we're learning, I'm going to draw out 1 inch on this piece of paper. So let's get into it. Now this is my 1/0 inch, which is this metal bit here, and this is my 1 inch, and this, which is this one right here. So I'm going to use another color to write the 1/2 inch. So then let me draw my 1/2 inch mark. Now this is 1/2 inch in blue color. So on the tape, if you don't know what 1/2 inch is, it's right here, this long line. It's on every inch. The longest one after the inches, the next longest is 1/2 inch. Now we're going to go into 1/4 inch. Here, let me mark out 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch is half of 1/2 inch. So the line is shorter, just as on the tape roll. Now half of 1/2 inch. So this is 1/4 inch, 1/4. And this is 2/4 inch. It's 1/2 inch, but it's 2/4 inch. 2/4. This is 3/4 inch. 3/4. So now the next line we're gonna do, this is the one we are mostly familiar with. The next line we're gonna draw out is the line next to the 1/4 inch on this tape. This one right here. So you're going to, between 0 and 1/4 inch, you is the next line, the next shorter line. Let me use another color for it. Sorry for if you're hearing any background noise. I'm really sorry about that. So now this is the 1/8 mark. So these ones are half of 1/4 inch, another half of 1/4 inch, another half of 1/4 inch, another half of 1/4 inch. So this is what it's called. The first one next to the 0 is 1/8 inch, and this 1/4 inch is 2/8 inch. The next one to half an inch is 3/8 inch. 1/2 inch becomes 4/8 inch. Now the next one is 5/8 of an inch, 6/8 of an inch, 7/8 of an inch, then 8/8 of an inch, which is 1 inch. So which means this tape right here is what we can see right here. So if you measure, I'm going to try measuring my wrist. This is kind of hard to do myself, but I'll try as much as I can. I'll try as much as I can. Now I'm measuring my wrist right here. Yeah, my wrists. So it's obviously we can see 7 and 7 inch, and it's way past the first shortest line, which is 1/8 of an inch, way past 1/4 of an inch, and it's on the 3/8 of an inch. So my wrist is 7.38 of an inch. Yeah, 7.38 of an inch. So that's the measurement of my wrist. So let's go further, just in case if you don't have this tape I just finished. If you have this one has 16 lines. So I'm going to show you what it is on this. So what it is that 1/8 of an inch is cut down into 2 all the way. So I'm going to draw the line between all the 8 lines here. So here, this red one here is the shortest line there. So this is 1/16 of an inch. So this first one will become 1/16 of an inch. This becomes 2/16 of an inch, 3/16 of an inch, 4/16 of an inch, 5/16 of an inch, 6/16 of an inch, 7/16 of an inch here, 8/16 of an inch, 9/16 of an inch, 10/16 of an inch, 11/16 of an inch, 12/16 of an inch, 13/16 of an inch, 14/16 of an inch, 15/16 of an inch, and 16/16 of an inch. So this is what it is. It's all, I know it can look really complicated or something, but it's not. So you just have to stick with the one that is much more easy for you. When you're measuring, you can use the 16th to measure. Get used to using 16/16 of an inch. So basically you just like I measured the other time, like I did the other time measuring the wrist. So this measurement for my wrist is a 7 inch. 7 inch is way before half an inch. This is half an inch, 7.5 inch, but it's to make it tight is, this is like 7/16 of an inch right here. So you just have to get used to it, but you can't get used to these things in one day. You have to continue doing this, because practice makes perfect, and it's numbers. You have to get used to it by practice. So this is what I just want to show us today. I hope you do understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment question. I would answer your question. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you.